we are coming up with the Gita Govinda immersion program, August 2023. It's going to be held here in Trivandrum on a stage that was created for Gita Govinda. With all the flora and fauna, with all the flowers, the creepers, the trees, the bushes, there's an open air stage where the experience of learning the prabandhs of Gita Govinda will be a unique one. We'll be sharing 3 prabandhs with you. One on Krishna, one on Sakhi, and one by Radha. So come and explore and understand what was going in the psyche and how did actually Jayadeva portray this lovely, beautiful, eternal love story. I'd love to share the technique of dance and the philosophy behind the lyrics and the poetry.